Get ready, tech enthusiasts. Qualcomm Pulse is back with a rapid-fire rundown of the biggest moves in the semiconductor world. We're diving deep into NXP Semiconductors, seeing who's buying, who's selling, and what it all means for the future of the industry. Plus, we've got the inside scoop on leadership changes that could redefine the market. We're also tracking major investment shifts that are making waves across the industry. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's get started. Renaissance Investment Group LLC is making significant adjustments to its NXP Semiconductors N.V portfolio. This move is crucial for understanding the current sentiment among major investors towards semiconductor stocks. Renaissance Investment Group LLC has notably reduced its stake in NXP Semiconductors N.V by 5.1%, selling 2,440 shares and now holding 45,305 shares. This position, valued at $9,899,000, now represents 2.1% of their investment portfolio, making it their 24th largest holding. The semiconductor giant NXP Semiconductors has seen a flurry of activity from various institutional investors. Hemington Wealth Management increased its holdings by 50%, Valley National Advisors Inc. saw an 118.9% surge in their stake, and Goalvest Advisory LLC experienced an impressive 472.9% boost. Even corporate insiders like EVP Jennifer Wu-Emmett and President Raphael Sotomayor have been active, selling shares totaling over $4 million in recent months. Analysts from Barclays, Stifel Nicolaus, and Evercore ISI have been updating their ratings and price targets, with a general consensus leaning towards a moderate buy rating and an average target price of $256.05, according to Qualcomm Pulse data. This activity has sparked considerable discussion among market watchers, with many looking to NXP Semiconductors' recent quarterly earnings, which beat expectations with $2.72 earnings per share, as a key indicator of its resilience. Keep watching as we break down exactly what these investment shifts mean for you. Next, get ready for an exclusive look at NXP Semiconductors' upcoming CEO transition. Big leadership news is brewing at NXP Semiconductors. In the rapidly evolving semiconductor landscape, executive changes can signal shifts in strategy and future direction. NXP Semiconductors, a major player in the industry, is preparing for a significant leadership transition. Sources reveal that Dutch chipmaker NXP Semiconductors is slated to complete its CEO transition by October 2025. Current CEO Kurt Sivers, who has been at the helm, is set to step down. This transition period is marked by Sivers' likely final visit to Taiwan as chief executive during SEMICON Taiwan 2025, a key event for the semiconductor industry. This event underscores Taiwan's critical role in the Edge AI ecosystem, a sector where NXP Semiconductors is actively involved. The market and industry analysts will be closely watching how this leadership change impacts NXP Semiconductors' strategic initiatives, particularly in areas like Edge AI and its engagement with key global tech hubs like Taiwan. Stay tuned for more insights into this executive shakeup. But first, we're tracking another key executive sale at NXP Semiconductors. Another executive sale reported at NXP Semiconductors. Executive transactions offer a direct look into how company leadership views the stock's current valuation and future prospects. Understanding these moves can provide valuable market signals. NXP Semiconductors N.V. EVP Andrew Micallef has recently sold 1,000 shares of the company's stock. The transaction, dated September 15th, occurred at an average price of $216.21, totaling $216,210. This sale represents a 12.77% decrease in Micallef's direct ownership, leaving him with 6,828 shares valued at approximately $1,476,281.88. This follows other insider sales, including those by EVP Jennifer Wu-Emmett and President Rafael Sotomayor, indicating a trend of insider divestments. Despite these insider sales, NXP Semiconductors stock has shown resilience, with recent analyst reports from Truist Financial, Wells Fargo and Company, and Citigroup adjusting price targets upwards. The company's Q3 2025 guidance remains strong, and its semiconductor products continue to be integral to various high-growth sectors. We're not done yet with the NXP Semiconductors news. Get ready for a surprising investment move from a major financial institution. A significant institutional investment update from the Czech National Bank. Tracking the actions of central banks and major financial institutions provides critical insights into global economic trends and investment strategies. The Czech National Bank's recent move signals confidence in the semiconductor sector. The Czech National Bank has increased its stake in NXP Semiconductors N.V. by 5.8% during the second quarter. This strategic acquisition involved purchasing an additional 3,376 shares, bringing their total holdings to 61,751 shares, valued at $13,492,000. This move by the Czech National Bank adds to the ongoing activity from other institutional investors, including Hemington Wealth Management and Valley National Advisors Inc., who have also recently adjusted their positions in NXP Semiconductors. This institutional interest comes amidst a backdrop of mixed insider transactions and positive analyst ratings, with NXP Semiconductors maintaining a moderate buy consensus from Qualcomm Pulse. The company's recent quarterly earnings exceeded expectations, and its diverse product portfolio continues to be a key asset in the global semiconductor market. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Don't go anywhere, we've got a quick recap and your essential call to action coming up next. That's a wrap on today's pulse-pounding tech news. We saw Renaissance Investment Group LLC adjust its NXP Semiconductors stake. NXP Semiconductors gears up for a CEO transition, EVP Andrew Micallef made a stock sale, and the Czech National Bank boosted its holdings in NXP Semiconductors. Don't miss out on any future updates. Make sure you're subscribed to Qualcomm Pulse, hit that notification bell, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all social platforms. We'll see you in the next one.